Hello and welcome to History Pod. On the 5th of July 1937, Spam, the canned cooked pork meat, was introduced by Hormel Foods Corporation in the United States. The technique of preserving food through canning was well developed by the time that George A. Hormel established his meat processing firm in Austin, Minnesota in 1891. Under the leadership of his son Jay, the company began to explore techniques to prepare and can luncheon meat for home consumers in an attempt to avoid the possibility of their product being confused for other brands once it was in the butcher's shop. Finally settling on a recipe using the once-undesirable cut of pork shoulder, water, salt, sugar and sodium nitrate, Spam first went on sale on the 5th of July 1937. Its name, rumoured to originate from the words spiced ham, had been registered as a trademark just 2 months earlier. The brother of a company executive reputedly won $100 for suggesting the name during a competition at a company New Year's Eve party. The introduction of Spam just 4 years before America joined the Second World War was to prove enormously beneficial. Over the course of the war, the military shipped over £100 million of Spam to US and Allied troops, since it had a long expiration date and didn't need to be refrigerated. Although the prevalence of canned meats prompted complaints from some soldiers, Spam was quickly accepted by the people living in the places to which it was shipped, which ranged from the Asian Pacific to Britain. The United States continues to be the world's largest consumer of Spam, with the luncheon meat being a particular favourite in Hawaii. South Korea, to where Spam was imported during the Korean War, is the world's second largest consumer.